The biggest challenge for high school seniors is deciding exactly what to do after graduation, such as going to college or finding a job. This is an important issue because this choice affects your future career, your money, and your happiness. Consequently, if we don't make a clear plan now, we might feel lost or waste valuable time after school ends. However, the best strategy to overcome this problem is to meet with a school counselor to discuss different career options and costs. You can be assured that after a few weeks of researching, you will feel confident and ready for your future.
The biggest challenge for working students is balancing late-night shifts with early morning classes. This is an important issue because a lack of sleep makes it difficult to focus or learn effectively during the school day. Consequently, if we don't prioritize rest, our academic performance will suffer, and we will feel constantly exhausted. However, the best strategy to overcome this problem is to speak with your manager about finishing work earlier on school nights. You can be assured that after a few days of getting proper rest, your focus and energy in class will improve significantly.
The biggest challenge for social groups in high school is dealing with toxic gossip and rumors. This is an important issue because spreading false information destroys trust and can hurt a person's mental health. Consequently, if we don't stop spreading rumors, we create a hostile environment where students feel unsafe and lonely. However, the best strategy to overcome this problem is to be a leader and refuse to participate when friends start speaking negatively about others. You can be assured that after a short time, your friends will respect you more, and the drama will disappear.
The biggest challenge for students who go off campus for lunch is getting back to school before the bell rings. This is an important issue because arriving late disrupts the class and often leads to detention or losing lunch privileges. Consequently, if we don't watch the time carefully, we will miss important instructions and get in trouble with the administration. However, the best strategy to overcome this problem is to order your food ahead of time on an app or choose restaurants closer to the school. You can be assured that after a few days of planning your trip, you will enjoy your lunch and still walk into class on time.
The problem is that students talk when the teacher is talking. This is important because the other students can't hear the lesson. The best idea is to listen and wait for your turn to speak. If you do this, everyone can learn better.
The problem is that students wake up late and miss the bus. This is important because they come late to their first class. The best idea is to set an alarm clock for the morning. If you do this, you will be on time for school.
The problem is that the school Chromebook has no battery power. This is important because the students can't do their classwork. The best idea is to charge the computer at home every night. If you do this, you are ready to work when school starts.
The problem is the student works late at night. This is important because the student is tired at school. The best idea is to talk to the boss about changing the time. If you do this, you can sleep more.
The problem is students say bad things about friends. This is important because the friends feel bad. The best idea is to have a better attitude. If we do this, everyone feels better.
The problem is trash in the classroom. This is important because the room is dirty. The best idea is to put your trash in the trash can. If you do this, the classroom is clean.